Dr. Loy has thrown the ball. Now it's the time for Dr. Nahum. Oh! They are trying their level best to throw the ball to the maximum distance. Wow! Mr. Dharmendra Thakur. Well done, sir. Mr. Dimitri. Yes. Now Mr. Manoharan. Mr. Kalra, the most experienced one. Now Kadri Srihari sir did well. Now Mr. Nagarajan is trying. Mr. Thakur again.
Please assemble. This is the last and the final call.
Allen dает пас. Тануджу, мяч у Танишка. ball. Oh, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful pass. Beautiful shot. दूसरा attacker.
With third position, Parth Puria with second position and Ishan Ghosh with first position.
Beautiful throw, Tanishq. Aryan's got the ball. Nope, Dhananjay's head got it. And it's going, Rohan has still another chance. Nope. Oh, Raman has. Beautiful. And Vamsi's got the ball. And that was a good shot. The Red Devils are moving faster. It might be a goal, chance for goal.
6, 7, 8 relay race. Nandika Gupta and Sanjana Ganga.
No. And Suman has taken the ball. Suman, can you score?
And no, he can't.
Beautiful header. Got the ball again. He's fighting for it.
Я не знаю. Просто не Волга, не... Да не. Понятно.
Anis. Beautiful. And Abhinav just cuts through. Just in time. Anis has fallen. It's a hand. Rohan has appealed for a hand. And it is.
Hello. We are ready with the results of relay race girls class 6th, 7th and 8th 4 into 100 meter relay race. First position is bagged by Ganga House, Nandika Gupta, Jasmine Karimzada, Manvi Singh and Isis Silva Kumar. May I request Malti Khurana, Yukta Rose, Priyanka Das and Sabina Vedi from 9th class. May I request Mr. K.D. Deval sir to please come over to give away the prize. May I request Mr. K.D. Deval sir, our HOC, to please give away the prizes.
Dhananjay scores. Beautiful goal.
Second position bagged by Ganga House, Berlin Kaur, Arzu Verma, Sagarika and Sanya Sharma.
And Ayush just misses. Beautiful save, Vamsi, once again. Really nice try, Rohan.
Third position is bagged by Kaveri House, Anaka Satish, Simranjit Kaur, Ishana Mukherjee and Aarti P from Kaveri House.
Beautiful goal. Beautiful. Islan.
trophy gallery. Please children move away from the...
Beautiful goal. Really good, Vignesh. Really, really good.
Vignesh from the white team has really done well to support the team.
The girls' relay race, class 11 and 12, is going to start now.
Aryan scores. Simple but really good goal.
The names for the girls 11 to 12 relay race event are Swati Dash, Mariam Rakhimi, Radhika Kakkar and Sahitya Mahadevan from the Ganga House, Tanya Kashame, Drishti Kumar, Srinidhi Rao and Simran Abroad from the Kaveri House, and Vyoma Raval, Mansi Saxena, Anisha Saul and Priyanti Belangi from the Volga House.
The patron of the school and Mrs. Barbara Kaval, Mr. Sandeep Arya, Chairman of School Management Committee and DCM of India, HTC, Mr. Kadi Deval. Thank you. Our last principal, Mr. Dilachani, and parents, all the friends came today to our sports annual day. I want to thank all of you, especially my students. As you know, the sports day is a very last occasion which all the students from class 1 to 12 look forward. They try to show their best. Everyone, they had chance to be selected and to show their sports spirit and sports facilities today in front of you. And today we try to do it as usually very good and show the best, and teachers and students and all of you. Thank you. I hope next year we will meet again, not only here, some other playgrounds, and we will come to support our students, support me, and support of our teachers and all of us. Thank you very much. Friends of sports!
Thank you, ma'am. Michael Jordan once said, "I've missed 9,000 shots in my career. I've lost almost 300 games. 26 times I've been trusted to take the game-winning shot and missed. I've failed over and over again in my life, and that's why I succeed. To those who fought and lost, let me remind you, persistence can turn failures to extraordinary achievements. And to those winners of the day, congratulations. At the end of the day, remember, trophy carries dust, but memories live forever." May I now request our Honorable Chairman and DCM, Mr. Sandeep Arya, to express his views on this day and declare the annual sports meet 2014-15 closed. Sir, please.
Good afternoon, dear parents, members of the SMC and teachers. I have now basically seen the school for about 2 years, and I can say with fair amount of confidence that the function was here today was extremely good, extremely well organized, and it was of a very high quality. Congratulations to everybody who participated. It basically means a lot of hard work by the teachers, a lot of contribution by the parents, and of course the children who also performed everything very well, starting from march past to programs and the whole competition. So this is a good occasion for us to all be happy about it, and I think we should also continue to strive for higher levels in terms of achievements in all areas. So thank you once again, and keep doing good work. We have a new team of teachers recently. I can also assure you all that from the point of view of embassy and the school management committee, and also in consultation with teachers and parents, we are trying to do our best and will continue to do our best to raise the level and achievements in all spheres for the whole school higher and higher. And today's program demonstrated how we are trying, how the level and all, especially many of the parents would have witnessed the quality of the sports day and quality of various other programs being organized is improving with time. Let me just also finally say that, there has been, this issue of, every year we have the sports day, and everybody has put in a lot of work, and that is highly appreciated. we thought a little bit about, in terms of the issue of how to handle Monday. And I think after very, very careful thought and, looking at how we have done in the last 2.5 months and the fact that we have 1 month vacation coming and we also have Thursday as a close day, we are working on Monday, and I think that is in the best interest in our assessment to have a working day on Monday. Thursday is a close day anyway. I mean, if people, tomorrow I think go for the session 2014-15 close as of now. Thank you. Goodbye.
Thank you, sir. Once the meet is declared closed, we have the lowering of the flag. The lowering of the flag is done by the color party.